global leader in designing and equipping mission-critical facilities around the world. Our comprehensive service and product offering allows us to support our customers throughout the entire life cycle of their mission-critical facility. Evans has the industry's largest portfolio of completed control rooms across the globe, now standing at over 15,000. Our control rooms are designed to address customers' specific operational needs in multiple command and control applications, including public safety, process control, utilities, military and intelligence applications, to name just a few. We can support our customers in every stage of the product lifecycle, including operational and technology planning, conceptual and detailed control room design, construction, console and technology integration, and ongoing facility support and maintenance. Our global footprint gives our customers the confidence that they can be supported anywhere in the world. Leveraging Evans' global perspective when it comes to control rooms, our team offers you a proven design and build methodology, rigorous project management, quality manufacturing, and years of experience that can make the difference in the products and services we deliver for our customers. Our fully integrated design and manufacturing capabilities allow us to create tailored console solutions, which are built to the exact specification of each unique operating environment. Our product designs are driven by your unique operational needs. Whether you are looking for a single operator console or a full control room design, or construction and technology integration, Evans can provide you with the right product or service fit for your requirements. We believe that Evans' experience, expertise, and design capabilities become your strategic advantage, from operational planning, ergonomic design, technology assessment and architectural considerations, to operator consoles, AV systems, power distribution, alarm management, lighting or acoustics, and other integrated control room solutions. We ensure that each mission-critical operation that is designed is unique to you. Once designed around your requirements, Evans can build a control room to meet your specific needs. Our teams complete the project, taking full responsibility for construction, integration, and installation. We do this for both new facilities as well as existing control rooms requiring an operational and technology refresh. We specialize in live cutovers or fast turnaround control room renovations to eliminate or minimize operational downtime for our customers. Evans has designed several unique and patented solutions aimed at enhancing the overall efficiency of the room and the operators, such as our situational awareness and alarm management system, LumaLink, which provides our customers greater situational awareness while providing more options to disassociated system alarms. PowerLink is Evans' certified power distribution system, which allows for modular distribution of circuits in a single flexible system. Our EnviroLink system is designed to increase operator comfort and safety by providing a touchscreen interface for operator control of environmental things such as lighting, heat, as well as power adjustment of console heights and monitor arrays. In summary, Evans has built our products and services to support you throughout the life cycle of your control room. Our goal is to create environments that reflect your operational needs, while creating more comfortable environments for operators and other stakeholders in the operation. Evans is your trusted partner in mission-critical operations.